Hello all, welcome to the kitchen experiments. This is the recipe for Rajasthani Bati in microwave. The ingredients used are butter 50 grams, wheat flour 3 bowls, salt as per the taste, ajwain 1 teaspoon and desi ghee. Now make small pieces of frozen butter or ghee can also be used instead of butter. Now we'll add flour to it. Also add salt and ajwain to the mixture. Now mix it well till the butter melts completely into the flour. Now we'll add water and mix it with the flour. Keep adding the water until the dough is ready. The dough should be slightly hard, not as soft as we use in chapatis, so that the batis can stay in shape. See, our dough is ready. Now we'll make large balls out of it like this. Now preheat the microwave in convection mode. Cook the batis for 20 to 25 minutes. Flip the batis once after 10 to 15 minutes. See, the batis are ready in 25 minutes. Now dip the hot batis into the desi ghee. Now there is a tip over here. Dip the batis into ghee when they are hot. Do not wait for it to cool down. Now all our batis are now ready to be served with dal. Ooh, it looks yummy. Happy cooking! If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it now. You can also check out our other videos. Thank you for watching the video.